Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss that is Sudhakar borrows 15,000 rupees from a bank to renovate his house. He borrows the money at 9% per annum, simple interest over 8 years. And what are his monthly repayments? So let's take what is the principal. The principal amount will be equal to 15,000 rupees. P will be equal to 15,000 rupees he bought. At what rate of interest? That is 9% per annum. Per annum. Annum means 1 year. Then simple interest for time duration they are given 8 years. That is time. So they are given PT or values and we have to calculate what is the total amount he is to give. That amount will be equal to, what is the formula of amount will be equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest. So if you add for principal, we are going to add interest, then we need to get amount. That amount will be equal to P plus simple interest. So we have to calculate simple interest in order to calculate amount. So simple interest is what? PTR by 100. So what is the P here? The P value will be equal to 15,000 rupees into time duration for 8 years into rate of interest 9 by 100. Here two zeros will going to cancel. That will be equal to 150 into 8 into 9. Then what is that? So here 150 into 8 into 9 will be equal to 10,800. So 10,800. So this is 10,800 rupees. That is the simple interest. So let's take what is the amount. That amount will be equal to P plus simple interest. So P is what? 15,000 rupees plus simple interest is what? 10,800. So if you add 10,800 with 15,000, what you will get? 25,800 rupees. So this is the amount he need to pay for 8 years. For amount for 8 years will be equal to 25,800 rupees. That is the amount. Then what is the monthly repayments? So 8 years means we can take it as for 1 month, 1 year will be equal to 12 months. 12 months. Then 8 years will be equal to 12 into 8. 12 into 8 months. Then what you can take it here is the amount will be 1 month. So 1 month into 12 into 8. That will be equal to amount. What is the amount we are going to calculate? That is 25,800 rupees. 25,800 rupees. For 1 month amount into 12 into 8. For 1 month amount will be equal to 25,800 by 12 into 8. So you can calculate with 2, that is 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are, then 2 2s are, then 2 9s are, double zeros. Then again 12,900 by 12 into 4. So again do with 2. 2 2s are, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 5s are, then 0 will get. Then again do with 2. So 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are. That will be equal to 3 2 2 5 whole divided by 12. So you can calculate with what you can calculate here with 3 4s are 12, then 3 1s are, 3 7s are, then 3 5s are 15. So here 3 1s are, then here 2 2. So 0 we have to put in order to calculate 7 0 and 7, then 1 5. So again 1075 by 4. So 1075 by 4 will be equal to 268.75. That will be equal to 268.75 rupees for 1 month. Repayments per 1 month will be equal to 268.75 rupees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss a TV was bought at price of 21,000 rupees. After 1 year, the value of TV was depreciated by 5%. Depreciation means it is a decreasing of value from the price. So depreciation means reduction of the value due to use and age of the item. Find the value of TV after 1 year. So we have to calculate 5% is decreasing from the initial value. So this is the 5%. So let's take the value, depreciation value will be, so our first cost of TV. Cost of a TV will be equal to 21,000 rupees. 21,000 rupees. Then what is the depreciation value? So depreciation value will be equal to how much reduced. It is a percentage, depreciation percentage. The percentage depreciation percentage will be equal to 5%. So value means 5% of cost of a TV. So let's take 5% means 5 by 100 into 21,000. So these two zeros will going to cancel. Then 5 into 210, that will be equal to 0, 5. Then. So 1,050 rupees, it is a decreased. Then what is the, find the value of TV after 1 year. So after 1 year means, so after 1 year, the cost of, after 1 year, cost of a TV will be equal to, its depreciation means subtraction. So initial value or initial price minus depreciation value. So depreciation value will be 21,000 minus 1,050. So what you will get? So 21,000 minus 1,050 will be equal to 19,950 rupees. So 19,950 rupees. Like this we can calculate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. For this question, you can solve in another method. What is that is, they are given the principal. So principal, what is that? P will be equal to 21,000. Then rate of interest, they are given that rate of interest will be 5%. So 5% and time duration is 1 year. So you can, amount will be here, amount after 1 year. So amount per year after 1 year will be equal to principal minus simple interest. So here why simple interest decreasing means, here depreciation means we have to take subtraction. So amount is the addition of simple interest or subtraction of simple interest. That is 21,000 minus simple interest is PTR by 100. So let's take 21,000 minus P is 21,000 into time is 1 and rate of interest will be 5. That is 200. So two zeros will going to cancel. That is 21,000 minus 210 into 5. So that will be equal to 21,000 minus 1050. That one will be, you will get it as, so what you will get answer. So 21,000 minus 19,950. So 19,950 rupees you can get. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss, that is third question. Find the amount and the compound interest on 8,000 rupees at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. So the given principal, that is 8,000 rupees. Then what is the rate of interest per annum? Rate of interest will be 5% per annum. Next, for 2 years, time they are given is n, you can take it as small n in the formula, 2 years compounded. So time duration for, if it is a compounded interest. So let's take, what is the amount will be equal to principal plus, that is compound interest. Principal plus compound interest. Normally the compound interest, we are going to take it as amount formula is there. So let's take, you can take amount will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. here how many years. If it is a 1 year, it is will be normal simple interest. If it is a 2 years more than compounded means we have to use amount formula is this one. Let's take amount will be equal to principal is 8,000 into 1 plus rate of interest will be 5 by 100 whole square. So let's take 8,000 here 100 plus 5 by 100 whole square. So 8,000 into 105 by 105 whole square and 100 square. So you can take like 8,000 into 105 whole square by 100, that is squaring means this one. So 3 zeros will going to cancel. Then 8 by 10 into 105 whole square. So 105 whole square is, what is that? 105 whole square, that will be 11,025. So 8 into 11,025. Then you will get this one by 10. So what you will get? 11,025 into, what is that? 8, that one 88,200. So 88,200 by 10. Then 10 will going to cancel. That is 8,820. That is the rupees. So this is the amount we need to calculate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We are calculated amount, that is amount will be 8,820 rupees. So amount we are calculated as for 2 years 8,820 rupees. Then we have to calculate compound interest. That amount will be equal to principal plus compound interest. We are calculated amount, that is 8,820 rupees. Then principal we know, that is 8,000. Then compound interest we can calculate by using this formula. So let's find compound interest. That is compound interest will be equal to 8,820. If you shift from this side to that side, here plus is there, it will become minus. That is 8,000. So 820 rupees for 2 years. Compound interest will be equal to 8,820 rupees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So in this module we are going to discuss, that is find the amount and the compound interest on 6,500 for 2 years compounded annually. The rate of interest being 5% per annum during the first year and 6% per annum during the second year. So here 5% is they are given for the first year and 6% they are given for the next year. So they are not given same interest for both years. Then if they are going to give different rate of interest for different years, we have to go with simple interest. Simple interest for 1 year and compound interest for the 2 or more than 2 years. So but compounded annually they are given, but even though we need to go with simple interest. So principal they are given that 6,500 rupees. Then T, that one is equal to 2 years. So 2 years compounded annually, what is the amount we need to check? So first one, for first year rate of interest, R1 will be equal to 5%. So let's take what is the amount here. That is amount will be equal to principal plus simple interest. So we have to find what's the amount. This amount will be equal to next one. So let's take for first year amount P1. Let's take P1 and simple interest. So P is what? 6,500 plus A1 is the amount. So simple interest is PTR by 100. So 6,500 plus P is what? 6,500 into time will be 1 and rate of interest will be 5. That will be equal by 100. So here we're going to cancel. That will be 6,500 plus 65 into 5. That will be equal to amount 1. That is amount will be equal to 6,500 plus 65 into 5. So what is that? 325. That is 325. So let's take here 325 means we'll get 6,825 rupees. This is the amount. So amount for first year, amount of first year will be equal to principal for the next year. So investment started with principal of second year. So why? Because here this end of the year we need to get the amount. That amount will again we're going to invest it for the next year. That will be P2 will be equal to A1. So let's find now what is the rate of interest here. The rate of interest R2 will be 6%. Then time is also equal to 1 year for this. So these 2 years divided into 1 year. So let's find what is that. The principal will be P2 will be equal to what is that 6,825 rupees. 6,825 rupees and rate of interest will be R2 will be equal to 6%. Then calculate the amount. The amount for the next year will be equal to P2 plus PTR by 100. That is PTR by 100. So let's take what is the P2 6,825 plus 6,825 into 1 into rate of interest will be 6, then divided by 100. That will be 6,825 plus. So here let's take 100 means 68 point. So we are dividing this with 68.25 here. 2 zeros is there. We can come from this side to 2 decimals, 2 places after. This one will be equal to that. So that is equal into 6. So 6,825 plus 68.25. 68.25 into 6. So what is that? 409.5. That is 409.5. That is the one. So let's take here what is this compounded interest. So compounded interest will be 409 point interest. So let's take compounded interest. We have to find the amount and compound interest. This is the compound interest. So this is the compound interest. The compound interest we got it as 409.5. That one we are going to add for this 6,825. So 6,825. That what amount we are getting here is amount at the second year 7,234.5. So this is the amount. So amount at second year, end of second year will be equal to 7,234.5 rupees. Then compound interest will be equal to this one only, that is PTR by 100. That will be equal to what you will get 6,825 into 1 into 6 by 100. Then what you will get 409.5 rupees. This is compound interest. Like this we need to calculate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. In this module we are going to discuss that is the question. Pratibha borrows 47,000 rupees from a finance company to buy her first car. The rate of simple interest is 17% and she borrows the money over a 5-year period. So for 5 years she took 47,000 rupees from finance company in a simple interest. How much amount Pratibha should repay the finance company at the end of 5 years? Her equal monthly installments also we have to find. So what is the amount means? The amount formula is equals to principal plus simple interest. Same principal plus simple interest. So what is the principal here? The principal will be 47,000 rupees. Principal is nothing but the first amount what we taken. Then what is the rate of interest? 17%, that too simple interest. Then time period they are given that 5 years. So if they are going to use compounded, then only go for that. Until unless if they are not divided, that interest, different interest for the different years. So what is that? The simple interest will be equal to PTR by 100. So what is the principal here? The principal simple interest will be equal to principal is 47,000 rupees into the time duration will be 5 into rate of interest will be 17 by 100. So here 2 zeros will going to cancel. Then 470 into 5 into 17. What is that? 5 into 17 will be equal to, that is 85. So 85 into 470 that will be equal to 39,950. So 39,950, that is simple interest. Now what is amount formula? The amount is principal plus simple interest. So principal is what here? 47,000 rupees plus 39,950 over 5 years. that amount will be equal to, so 47,000 plus 39,000, that is 86,950. So 86,950 rupees at the end of 5 years. This is the amount. Then what is her equal repayments? This is the amount. So amount will be equal to A. We need to find amount for 5 years. That will be equal to 86,950 rupees. Then we need to find monthly repayments, that is B. So amount for 5 years will be equal to 86,950 for 5 years. So 5 years means 5 years. 5 years into how many months? 1 year will 1 year will be equal to 12 months. So 5 years means 5 into 12 months. But we have to calculate only for 1 month. So 12 months we can divide it into 5 into 12 into 1 month. So 1 month's installments we have to get. So 86,950, that is 1 month. 1 month, for 1 month, what is the amount will be equal to 86,950 by 5 into 12. So you can do with 5. So 5 ones are 5, then here 3 will be 5 sevens are 35, 35 1, 19, 5 threes are 15, means 45, 9s are 45 and 0. That will be equal to 17,390 by 12. So 1 month, therefore monthly installments will be equal to that 1,000. So 17,390 by 12. What you will get? 1,449 by 1,449.166, like that. Then it will be around 1,450 rupees. This one you can take it as approximately. You can take 1,450 rupees we have to pay for every month. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.